What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Honda Smart Key remote fob. So this key fob is going to be for the Honda vehicles that have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will slide out like that. Now if we take a look at the bottom of the fob, we kind of see there's these two plastic pieces. They kind of look like the letter E. What I'm going to do is stick my key in between those like that, and then I'm just going to pry it apart. And as you can see, it pries the case apart. And then if you open it up with the buttons facing down, they stay in place a little easier. So once we get that apart, we see our battery right here. I'm just going to use my key to kind of get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder like that. Now I'll grab my new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. And this edge kind of tucks in first like that. And then it'll snap down into place. And then if your buttons did move at all, make sure you get those back in place. And then go ahead and snap the two halves back together. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.